wife is gonna kill me. So welcome guys to H.P.T Powertrain, home of the real deal Americana channel of trains. So yes, my wife will beat me in my freaking head. Like, I need another locomotive, right? Like, I need another one. But we went ahead and pulled the trigger and bought another locomotive. Stayed in the 150th price range, something I can afford, something that don't break the bank, so I can save my money for these nice DCC locomotives. So anyways, let's see what we got. A vintage box of an 060 switcher. Is it a switcher? Yes, switcher. Made in Japan. So let's see how beautiful this thing is. Quite heavy. Oh! Now this thing was around 120 something bucks. By the time it got to my front door, it was around 150 something bucks, right? So not exact on the numbers, but give you a sneak peek. Brass. It does have some little micro pitting on it, not very bad. And for the price, I couldn't go wrong, because take a look on eBay what these brass locomotives are going for and you'll see what I'm talking about. Can't forget the brass tender, very heavy, simulating a coal load. It looks to be the thing, the real deal. I mean, look how beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful. I think that's stainless steel wheels. And I'm thinking that this picks up power to route it to this locomotive. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful locomotive. There's the drawbar that the tender hooks to. You can see the wire. See the wire here? It goes into the motor in here. Shiny, shiny wheels. The description was true to what it said, new in the box. I mean, this thing looks like it's never been ran. We're gonna run it in a few. Check this beaut out. This cap does come off, and this is a little crooked. Okay. All right, all the shenanigans out the way. Before I take this into the layout, I have to oil all into these intricate parts here that move. It is metal on metal, and we must oil that, because I can imagine it hasn't seen no love and sitting in the box for quite some time. Let's get this thing oiled up. Now she's ready to roll. I'm gonna hook this drawbar into this tender, because like I said earlier, that's what gives its power to one side of the wheels. Weird how that works, huh? Okay. Put this thing on the track. Ooh, I'm excited to see what she does. She might not even run. All right. And that's my luck. No power. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay, okay. There it is. So we're putting, well, looks like it's 7 volts applied there. So I'm gonna let it go and apply a little bit more voltage. Ooh, sweet. More voltage. Go to 10 volts. Where are you going? He's a runner right out the box. Ooh, she's smoothing out with that oil. Look at that. Beautiful. The little engine that could. Yeah. I'm not sure what is going to happen on this Y with these frogs. It is a smaller wheelbase, and these are dead frogs. So let's see. Oh. Come on, baby. A little skipping, not much. Okay, good. Our famous shot under the bridge. Beautiful. Look how sweet that is. Same thing. Yes. going into my canyon. Look how beautiful that is. Brass, baby. Ah, we have a little dirty spot here. Oh, okay, off to the races. No, not that way. Switch it, okay. Having a little voltage drop, not much. Coming into the apocalypse section. Beautiful, okay. Go! Off to Devil Mountain. Over our lake. Passing by Acetone Bottle City. Coming into our wicked radius. Beautiful. Whew, Lord, she runs great. Coming into that steep incline, off into the old trestle. Beautiful shot. One more bad hiccup. If it passes it, we're good. Yep, indeed, she's a runner. Oh, to the finish line. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. So there you have it, guys. Great running Locomotive. Love it. And it looks like I'm bit by the bug, and I will always have an eye out for these locomotives specifically. So if I find them cheap, I will buy them. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, please like, subscribe, and comment so we can continue our journey with H.O. Powertrain. Thanks everyone again, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.